right, so let's talk about the Samsung S10 again.
Yeah.
Some more rumors came out about it, and we've kind of been talking about this every week, and it's starting to form, and it's getting more exciting. I wasn't excited about the circular notch that you told me about last week. What are the new rumors this week?
Okay, so the new rumor is there's going to be another variant. Now, there's been rumors about a 5G S10 that was supposed to come out. Now, this one, the 5G S10, they're saying it's going to come a little bit later. So they're going to announce the S10 and S10 Plus in
Oh,
February, is
that
roughly what
wasn't
they're
completely
thinking.
stolen from Apple's marketing at all.
No, 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 no. Yeah, it's Galaxy 10. Anyways, that's
Yeah.
coming out. And then they're also a month or two later is when the 5G variant's going to come out. And this 5G variant is what the rumor's all about. It's going to be huge. Instead of a 6.4-inch screen, it's going to be a 6.7-inch
Holy
screen.
crap.
And it's going to have 6 cameras. That's the rumor. 6. So you're going to have 2 on the front, like the Pixel 3, and then you're going to have 4 on the back.
What kind of
So
things are you gonna do with those four cameras? Like, what could you possibly be taking a picture of that would need four?
well, some of them are kind of neat. Like, I think telephoto. That's one that you and I have talked about before, and I love the fact that you don't have to have digital zoom. Enhance, even if you use the shaky technique that Pixel does,
Yes.
um, which I think is still kind of cool. Like, let's just mix those two. Let's use the telephoto lens and let's use the shaky technique, and let's see what we can do with that. So you're going to have telephoto. You're going to have wide angle so that you can get more people in your pictures. You're going to have maybe low light, a camera that's special just for low light. And then you're going to be combining all those cameras and different apertures and things that they're going to take, especially in low light. And you'll just light it right up. Like if you've seen what the Pixel 3 does
I
with night
have.
mode,
It's
shocking.
crazy.
Absolutely shocking.
And that's when I want to take all the photos when things are dark, right? Like
Yeah.
you're outside. I mean, the sun sets so early now that it's daylight saving time, and
Yeah.
everything comes out terrible on my old phone, you know?
Or you're in a dimly lit restaurant, or you're in a dimly lit art gallery, or you're in a dimly lit child's birthday party. Okay, maybe that won't be dimly lit, but you know,
Let's hope not. Yeah. Yeah.
those are the types of things that you're going to be wanting to take pictures of in the dark, right? So, wah.
Well, that's pretty cool. I'm excited about the S10. Now, are those options for you, being that you already own the S9? Is it something that would make you want to switch?
No. I love taking photos with my camera. If the camera is as amazing as the Pixel 3 is right now, and if they can do that with 4 cameras and steal some of those tricks from Google, I just might,
Hmm.
because I think that the camera function alone might be worth it. But I'm also in a 2-year contract, and so I would wait until that 2-year contract is up. And 5G isn't enough for me to want to switch out my phone because the infrastructure just won't be ready. Not
How
not
about
in
the
a
fact that there might be a yellow and green option?
Oh yes, that's the other rumor. Yellow and
Yeah.
green. Woo! That's fantastic. They're going
Right?
neon. So, the
Well,
Pixel 3 did that with the power button. Ooh, they got red and they've
oh,
got green and
sweet.
not pink.
Well, talking about 5G real fast, I mean, do you even think your city's going to offer 5G next year?
Um, no, I don't think Edmonton will. I think they're already rolling 5G out in certain cities. We've talked about that with Verizon. I think San Francisco, New York, some of the bigger places, Houston might see it. But I don't think you're really going to have a 5G infrastructure until probably the end of 2019, early 2020. And by then, we'll really see if that infrastructure is set up enough that we can actually use those 5G connections on our phones. So I
That,
don't think it's going to become mainstream till 2021, 2022 even.
by then we'll have our PlayStation 5s.